Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today, on a little extra pixie dust, I'm going to be making a mocktail loosely based on a cocktail that they do at Universal's Halloween Horror Nights. I went looking for some good mocktail recipes and I couldn't really find anything official that they released. But I did see a cocktail that I thought, I could probably make that into a mocktail. So that's what we're running with. This recipe is going to be loosely based on the Ghoul Juice cocktail at Universal's Halloween Horror Nights. We're starting off with a glass that's just got a little bit of ice in the bottom. I'm adding to it mango juice. And then I'm adding in some cherry juice. I'm going to be cutting it close to the size of my container. Some fresh squeezed lime juice. And that's very pretty. I was going to give it a stir. I think we're going to leave it like that. Maybe we'll stir it before drinking it because that's a very pretty drink. And then I'm just going to garnish it with a little fresh lime wedge. So there you have it. A Ghoul Juice inspired mocktail. If you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.